All right, and the last thing we have to look at are quartiles. This is my same data in order. I know that if I were to do my median, 1, 2, 3, 4, cross off with 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross off with 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 with 1. Hey, right there is my median. My median is 83. And it's got two other names. It's called the second quartile, or it's called the 50th percentile. And sorry, I'm just taking an abbreviation right there. It's really spelled percentile, but that's an abbreviation mathematicians use, percent sign with the word tile. All right, so the first quartile is basically the median of the first half of your numbers. All right, so I'll cross off 3 low, 3 high, 2 low, 2 high. I don't have any numbers left, but what number is in between 68 and 74? Well, between 68 and 74, that's 6. So that would be 71. If I take the average of 68 and 74, I get 71. So that's my first quartile. Or the 25th percentile. And let's do the last one. The third quartile. 1, 2, 3 low, cross off with 1, 2, 3 high, 1, 1, 1, 1. So in between 87 and 88 tells me that my third quartile is at 87.5, or this is also known as the 75th percentile. So what does that mean? Let's say you got a 71 on your chemistry test. That means you scored better than 25% of the kids, or 75% scored higher than you. So that's why you want to be in a higher percentile, because it's comparing you to the rest of the crew. All right, and the last thing we got to learn is a box and whisker. All right, a box and whisker is put on a graph like this. And if you notice, I have a number line here. And I went from about 55 to 95. Now, technically, I really got to go to 54 because that's my lowest piece of data. And this is how you draw a box and whisker. We're going to draw the box first. The box, we go to the first quartile, 71. We put a mark there. We go to the third quartile, which is 87.5, 86, 87.5, and we connect them with a box. We're going to put whiskers on it now. Where do the whiskers come from? Well, they extend to the ends. The highest number was a 95. So we put a mark at 95, and then we draw a whisker to connect to 95. Down here, we go to the lowest grade, which was a 54. We draw a mark, and then we draw a whisker to connect it. Here's your box. There your whisker. And notice what you have. You have your first quartile marked. You have your third quartile marked. I know my high and my low The only thing that hasn't shown up is my second quartile. So I add that, 1, 2, 3, 83, by putting a mark there. Sometimes this is called your 5 levels of info, because by looking at this box and whisker, you can figure out 5 things: your lowest score, your highest score, your first quartile, your second quartile, and your third quartile. Okay, that's it. Bye.